In this video, we'll show you how to change the hood latch on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the hood latch on your vehicle, you need to remove the radiator support cover to gain full access. Using a fork, remove the 4 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. The hood latch is held to the radiator support tie bar by 3 retaining bolts. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, hold the first bolt on the right-hand side of the hood latch. Then, using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the other 2 retaining bolts. You can now turn the hood latch over. Remove the hood lock cable from its housing. You can order the hood latch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the hood latch. Replace the hood lock cable. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Put the hood latch back in its slot. Then roughly screw the bolts back on by hand. Tighten using a 10mm wrench until it makes contact. You can check that the hood latch is working properly by simulating locking the hood hook with a screwdriver. Now it's time to check the hood latch height adjustment on the support tie bar. This will allow you to align the hood height with the fenders. The fender must be aligned with the hood while the hood is in the closed position. Carefully close the hood. The fender and hood must be at the same height. If necessary, release the hood latch retaining bolts to raise or lower the hood. This will raise or lower the front of the hood. Once the hood and fenders are perfectly aligned, lock the hood latch retaining bolts. Take the radiator support cover. Then position it correctly. Remember to pass the cover under the fender mountings and the grille assembly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.